Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to keep armadillos out of your yard. This video will explore ways to ward off these creatures that burrow small holes and destroy your yard's aesthetic appeal. So stick around to the end. Install an electric fence. A low-voltage electric fence that's designed to deter pests will protect your yard from armadillos in an efficient manner. Because these animals tend to dig and burrow, ensure that the fence is firmly secured deep below the ground. They'll stay away every time that they get a shock. Close any burrows in your yard. Armadillos dig burrows as they scavenge for food in the ground. If the pest has left a burrow in your property, fill it up with dirt and pea gravel to make it difficult for the animal to dig up again. This will make your yard unhospitable and will discourage other armadillos from digging up any burrows. Use strong scents to repel them. Armadillos' exceptionally strong sense of smell are still their Achilles heel when you use unpleasant smells to ward them off your yard. They're naturally repelled by the scent of castor oil, cayenne pepper, vinegar, or ammonia. Install motion-activated sprinklers. Motion-activated sprinklers can startle armadillos while they walk around your yard. They become frightened when the water shoots at them, thus they scurry away. Install lighting. Armadillos are predominantly nocturnal creatures, so they like to forage for food out in the dark. Install good lighting around your property to make your lawn less appealing to these animals. Furthermore, if you're trying to get rid of armadillos that are already in your yard, ample lighting makes it easier to find them whenever they hide. Remove food sources. An armadillo will not be attracted to your yard if it does not smell any prey. Because armadillos like to prey on insects, make your lawn unhospitable to the types of bugs that they prey on. Secure your garden with rocks or gravel to inhibit insects from creating a home in the soil. Rely on a large dog. Large outdoor dogs are the best to chase armadillos away from your yard. Because armadillos know that dogs can harm them, they stay away from the barking or sight of dogs. So there you have it. Armadillos are a nuisance, and I hope this video helped in steering them away from your yard. Feel free to leave a like, comment, and share this video. Until next time.